Hello everybody, my name is Anirudh and today I'm going to explain about Khushwant Singh's style of writing. As a writer, he was best known for his sense of secularism, humor, sarcasm and an abiding love of poetry. He was a reputed social realist. He was very keen to explore the realities of life. His intimate knowledge of rural and urban India was an outcome of his minute observation of life. His novels thus present a panoramic view of Indian life. A Khushwant Singh short story is not flamboyant but modest, restrained and well crafted. Perhaps his greatest gift as a writer is a wonderful particularity of description. His stories lie poignant and above all humor bear testimony to Khushwant Singh's remarkable range and his ability to create an unforgettable world. Khushwant Singh's stories enthrall. He has an ability akin to that of Somerset Maugham, the ability to entertain intelligently. Thank you.